In the outdoor play area, I could observe some of the children were collecting fallen leaves and sticks on the ground and sorting them into piles. Having sorted all the materials into piles, they started to compare the sizes. They were wondering why some leaves are crunchy and why some leaves are soft. Also, they asked questions like where do the sticks come from. This observation open up different learning possibilities. Basically, the activities related to sensory exploration and fine motor development. For example, we can let them touch and smell the parts of the trees and use them for art and craft activities. Also, this can be extended into learning experiences related to mathematical skills such as counting and sorting based on sizes. Also, it is possible to do activities like introducing the parts of the tree, which can help them to get familiar with the vocabulary such as barks, roots, and stems, etc. So, after considering all, I planned a learning experience related to artworks. I provided them with different parts of the tree, such as dried leaves, fresh leaves, bark, sticks, dried fruits, flowers, and blank papers and glue. And asked them to create whatever they like on the blank paper using the items that I provided. This is basically about imagination and creativity. Also, when they touch the textures of these materials, that helps to stimulates their senses too. Also, it supports their fine motor development. On the other hand, while the activity is going on, I ask questions like, what do you think this is? Pointing different materials. And what do you feel when you touch barks? Is it rough or smooth? And also, this activity is totally based on children's interest, and they were allowed to choose what they like to make. And when it comes to diverse learners, special equipments were provided to handle materials. And also, I provided customized tables and chairs so that they can easily access the materials and engage throughout the activity. For the week 3, I thought of extending the project based on the possible questions that children may come up, like why leaves are of different colors, like that. Based on this, I thought of extending this to an activity related to how leaves change over season. For this, I would ask them to create summer tree and autumn tree. For the resources, I would provide them with a tray full of green leaves, a tray full of colored leaves, glue, 2 pictures of trees drawn in papers. So before the activity starts, I would ask them questions like, which color do leaves have in summer? Does anyone know? Or which colors do leaves have in autumn? This is just to let them know that what the exact colors of leaves. And then I would ask them to put green leaves in the summer tree and other colors in the autumn tree. So while they are doing this activity, I would give them instructions using very simple language. And also, I can extend this activity to an excursion to an autumn garden as well. So this is how I plan learning experience according to the planning cycle.